Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about earn your first $6 up to $15 per day. These are top legit and realistic ways. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. If you are watching this, you are probably still trying to get your first payout, or you may have given up on making money online because there are so many websites or methods that require you to be skilled at something to sell your services. That is freelancing, selling courses, content creator, and so much more. Or you must have at least $1,000 to invest or start your own business, like dropshipping, e-commerce, etc. Or having a website to promote offers. Does that mean you can't make money online ever? No is the answer, because I am here to help you. Because I don't want you to make the same mistakes and waste your time as I did, I'm going to tell you how I wasted 3 years of my life trying to make money online, what I did wrong, and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. I'm also going to give you a list of legitimate websites and ways to make money, because there are so many scam websites, or ones that pay so little that they aren't worth your time. I know it's hard to figure out which is a scam and which isn't, because I felt the same way and was so confused, even though there are millions of tutorials on videos and posts. Most of them, they will teach you how to make $200 or $2,000 per day, but you will never be able to do that as a beginner. They are just trying to get your attention so they can make money off of you. Even if you don't have any skills or money, there are some good websites that will help you make between $6 and $15 per day. Since I'm being honest here, I don't think you should use the websites and apps I'm about to show you as a way to make a living. Instead, use them for a while to save up money and then start your own dropshipping, trading, or blogging business. Number 1. Take surveys and offers. If you live in a country where English is spoken, this is the best option because it's the easiest and pays the most. You could make anywhere between $1 to $8 per day. And some of these websites are swagbags.com, timebags.com, pedera.com, gifthunterclub.com, ysense.com, superpay.me, idleempire.com, featurepoint.com. Number 2. Doing micro jobs and tasks. You will earn $1 to $3 per hour by signing up, visiting websites, writing small reviews, or following social media accounts. And the websites to go to are picoworkers.com, toloka.yandex.com, suckpublic.com, and latium.org. Number 3. Use passive income apps. You can make between $0.10 and $0.80 per day without doing anything. All you have to do is put these apps on your phone or computer and let them run in the background. Every day, you will get some passive income. And these websites are anygain.com, peer2profit.com, and we also have iproyal.com. Number 4, use faucets and PTC websites to earn cryptocurrency. You can earn 0.01 US dollars to 1 US dollar per day by clicking at and solving CAPTCHA. And the sites are adbitcoin.top, coinpayu.com, autofaucet.dutchicop.space, faucetpay.io, autofaucet.org, dodgemate.com, dodgetricks.com, freebitco.in, tocaptcha.com. Guys, all of the websites I listed are real and I got paid for each one. Don't worry, just take them seriously and I promise you will make money. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will answer them as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.